Children, today we will learn about internal organs. What are all the internal organs shall we see now? This one is lungs. This one is lungs. This one is liver. This one is liver. This one is large intestine. This one is large intestine. This one is stomach. This one is stomach. This one is brain. This one is brain. What is this? This is small intestine. Small intestine. This one kidneys. Kidneys. This one heart. This one is heart. This one is bones. Bones. Okay. Children, now let's see about internal body parts. Let's see the internal body parts and where they are in our body. First one is brain. You see, the brain is here. Then food pipe. Food pipe is here. Then heart. Heart is here. Then lungs. These two are lungs. Then this is liver. This one is liver. This one is stomach. This one is stomach. See where it is? Here. Then these two are kidneys. These two are kidneys. Then this is large intestine. The outer portion is large intestine. The inside is called small intestine. Then these are all muscles. These are all muscles. Then these are all bones. Bones. Okay. Children, circle the internal body parts and tick the external body parts. Internal body parts are inside our body. External body parts which we can see in our body. First one you see, this is ears. These are ears. So we can see our ear. So it is a external body part. So tick this one. Okay. This is liver. This we cannot see because it is inside our body. So circle it. This is brain. This is an internal body part. We cannot see it. So circle it. This is leg. This is an external body part. We can see it. So put a tick mark. Then this is finger. Finger and nail. We can see it. So put a tick. This is heart. This is an internal body part. We cannot see it. So circle it. This is nose. This is an external body part. So tick it. This one stomach. Stomach is internal body part. We cannot see it. So circle it. This is kidneys. These are all kidneys. These two are kidneys. It is internal body part. Eyes. External body part. We can see it. So this one large intestine. We cannot see it. So it is internal body part. You should do it in your book, children. Find and mark the birds from the list below using a color pencil. See children, we have some body parts here. See liver, it has marked here L-I-V-E-R, liver. Then you see kidney. Kidney. Where is kidney? You find out kidney. K-I-D-N-E-Y. Here is kidney. So you should mark like this with your pencils. Okay. Then likewise you do for all the body parts. Okay. Do it in your book, children. Match each internal body part to its position in the body. First you see this is a brain. Where is the brain? Here is the brain. So you should match it. Second, this is heart. See, here is heart. So match it to the heart. Then this is, these two are lungs. So match it. Okay. This one is liver. Liver. So match it to the liver. This one is, these two are kidneys. So match it here. Then this one is stomach. Match it here. This one is large intestine. Match it here. Do it in your book, children.